Welcome guys. Today is a beginner's guide. Let me turn down the music a little bit. Today is a beginner's guide to the Bowflex Max Trainer. I don't want to lose you guys. A lot of people stop by the channel to check it out. Check out this machine particularly because that's what this channel features. So I don't want to lose anyone who wants to get one of these machines. And you know, lately I've been hitting 1,000 calories in 28 minutes, and I know that's really hard. So I want to take it back to the basics. So I'm going to give a beginner's guide of what to expect on this machine when you first buy it. All my experts out there that have been working out with me on the channel, I don't want to discourage you from this video. I want you to hang around and watch. Maybe you can help out somebody else, but I do want you to get a good workout in, and we have plenty of videos for that. So today, we're going to take it back to the basics. So before we start, let's get down to business. This is the Bowflex Max Trainer. If you are interested in this machine or anything Bowflex, I have two different links down in the descriptions. The first one will take you right to the Bowflex page, which has Bowflex anything. You can shop around, take your time, have a look at it. The second one will specifically take you to the machine. I run the M7. I bought my machine back in 2016. They have newer machines now. There is nothing wrong with my machine. They are built to last. So there is a link that will take you right to the Max Trainers. The third one is the official water bottle of this channel. Is the coldest. Awesome water bottle. If I just leave this water bottle here, fill it up with water, and don't use it all, by the time I come back tomorrow, it's still cold, ready for my workout. I can take it from there, I can take it to my bicycle, I can take it right to the cup holder in my pickup truck. It has a convenient handle, I can take it just walking around with my wife. One of the best water bottles, and that's why this channel has it. There is a link down there if you want to go check them out. Okay, big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. So, beginner's guide. When you first get this machine, you get it into your house. After you go down in the description and click the link and you go to Bowflex and you buy one, you get it in your house, you unbox it, and you're all excited. Okay? All of a sudden, you get on the machine because the advertisement from Bowflex is 200 calories in 14 minutes, and you get on this machine and you start spinning. And then right away, you realize that, oh my God, this is hard. Okay? Yes, it's hard. I don't like to lie to people. I'm an athlete. I used to be a speed skater. I'm so used to having that up while I work out. I used to be 5K runner, marathon runner. And I got on this machine back in 2016 and went, oh my God, I didn't know it was this hard. Okay? So, let's start with the warm up. First of all, when you get on this machine, I want you to warm up. And the way I want you to warm up is I want you to have your hands down here for your stability. Okay? I'm messing around with my iPhone watch. And I just want you to spin. Now this machine will give you 3 minutes before it starts telling you to look for a program. So just start spinning, nice and easy. Don't worry about it. You can see where I am. That's another thing, guys. If you're new here, I always have my control panel up in the corner for you. That's what makes this channel a lot different than anybody else's. I do not hide what I'm doing, okay? So, nice and easy. Just start spinning this machine. I want you to do it with only your legs. I don't want you to try to, right out the gate, I'm going to hit 200 calories in 14 minutes. Unless you are an active athlete, I mean, that really hits it hard, you're not going to do it. Alright, so we got about a minute in now. I want you to introduce your hands now. Now there's different positionings on these handlebars. First, grab down a little lower here, okay? And this is more like a bicep pull. Immediately, you can feel that it relieves the legs a little bit, because now you have some assistance there, okay? Just stay with that for a little bit. Hopefully maybe you already have a Bowflex and you're following along with me here, okay? If you're struggling, take it back to the basics. We'll work on this together. I don't want to lose you from my channel. And I don't want you to be discouraged from my channel. Okay, now we got about 2 minutes into it. This is where I want you to start going a little faster. I'm going to move my hands all the way up to the top, because what I'm doing now is I'm utilizing my whole entire arm, my shoulder, my back, my lats, and I'm push, pull, okay? And I'm really assisting my legs. Look at my control panel now. Without even trying, it picked up speed. Alright? So, when I say get a good warm up before you come to the channel, this is what I mean. 3 stages. The first minute, no hands. Second minute, start with the hands down a little lower. For the third minute, get them hands up there and really get that blood flowing. Okay? You should be developing the warmness throughout your body. If not, sweat starting to beat up on your skin. That's a warm-up. Make sure you have your coldest bottle and you're getting fluids in your body. You take pre-workout stuff, make sure that you have drank that. Okay? So, let's stop that. Like that. So, hopefully I made that nice and clear. What I want you to do for your warm-up. Now, don't go away. I want you to go into a workout with me. I'm going to do a 7-minute interval workout the way that I expect you to do it your first time dealing with this machine, okay? My speed might be faster than yours just because I'm naturally there, but I'm purposely going to try to slow it down. Alright, so let's get on the machine. Let's find our 7-minute workout. Go through our programs. Steady pace, calorie burn, stairs, manual, fit test, 7-minute intervals. Now on the count, I'm going to do a countdown, then we're going to go into it. Remember, this goes right into a sprint. But I don't want you getting carried away. You're new to this. We're just going to take it nice and easy. 3, 2, 1. Hit the start. Hands at the top. Don't worry about anything. You're new at this. It doesn't matter if you can't get into that red zone. I just want you concentrating on me. If you need me to do more beginner classes like this, let me know in the comments. I will set, hear the bell, 1. Okay, now when we back it down, I want you to take your hands off the handlebars. Spin with your legs. You have 80 seconds. See how slow I'm going? Recover. Deep breath in. You've got to get that air all the way down into those lungs. At the bottom of the lungs. That's where oxygen, good, enriched oxygen is made. Okay? Get that air in. Keep them hands down here. Nice and easy. If you need me to start doing more of this beginner level to get you up to speed with us, let me know. I will do it. I can do all the hard stuff on my own after I'm done with you guys. Okay? So, with about 30 seconds to go, we're past that now. We want to move up and start getting our arms back into it. Start building the speed back up a little bit. 15. Okay. We have 10 seconds. Get your hands back up to the top. Full motion, remember. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't have to be 100%, guys. You just have to pick up the pace. Okay? That's it. Pick up the pace until you get used to this. We're just going to crank it out. We're not going to worry about anything. Our machine has bells. There they are. Bring it down. Recover. Why I'm telling you to take your hands off the handlebars? Because you naturally want to keep the speed going. You're worried about numbers. But meanwhile, you're not developing your strength yet. So let's just back it down. Nice and easy. Get the cardio under control. Okay, get the water back in your body. You have 80 seconds to recover. Once you start getting more familiar with this, then keep your hands up there. Then keep your speed up. But if you don't have the cardio, if you don't have the strength, and you're not even finishing a 7-minute workout, you can't go on to the next step. Alright? 20 seconds. I got my hands back up. Still taking it nice and easy. I don't want to get excited yet. With 10 seconds to go, I'm going to come up here. 10 seconds. Start getting those arms and shoulders back into the groove here. 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. Now, if your machine is not where I am, that's fine. Just remember, I've been doing this for a long time. My power is going to be a lot different than yours. Okay? Bring it down. We have one more segment to go. Just stop worrying about the numbers. I don't want this machine, which in my opinion is one of the best, whether you're at a gym or at home, one of the best machines to work out on. Stop worrying about it. You right now have to worry about time. Time on the machine. Once you add this into your everyday program, come home, get your 14 or 15 minutes, then your day's complete. Alright? See? Nice and easy. Don't worry about them handlebars while you're recovering. I want your recovery to be concentrated on your breathing. Get that in there. Alright? Coming up on 20 seconds. Get my hands back up here. Start getting my arms moving again. We got 10 seconds. Back up at the top. Three, 2, 1. Last sprint. You can do 100% here if you want. You can do 80% here if you want. Or if you're not at that level, I want you to maintain the same pace you have, because the goal here is to finish the workout. On this channel, we never stop before the finish line. Okay, we never stop before the finish line. We always go through it. Here's our last pace. Now this last pace, if you ever work out with me and we're doing one of these drills, if you need to, keep your hands up there. Keep that full body going. Right now we have the finish line in sight. Less than a minute to go. You should be calming everything down. The only time that this part of the workout on interval training should be intense, if you're trying to get those last couple calories in, which therefore, if you need to, there's an add button for more time. I I use that when I'm going for my 1,000 calorie burn. Okay? The point of this drill, guys, I don't want to lose you no matter what level you're on. I want my channel to be for beginners, intermediate, expert. And we have 1 second. Workout complete. That simple drill, 145 calories on that simple drill. Yours might not be there. You might be 50 calories. You might be, I don't know, 100 calories. 75 calories. I don't know. But get the time on the machine, relax, breathe. Just make it part of your everyday schedule. Make it routine. Look forward to your workout. If you dread your workout, it's going to be a disaster. Okay? Now, like I said, if you need me to do more of these and bring it down to this level, I have no problem with it. I'm an ex-speed skater. I love basics. Pick a speed skater. I'll go Joey Mantia. Eric Heiden. At their level in the Olympics, their coach brings them to the basics. We're no different. We're not at that level. We're not at an Olympic level. There's no reason why we shouldn't be at basics at least once a week. Okay? So, down in the descriptions, you can find the links to Bowflex, the link to take you directly to this. Also, coldest water bottle, official water bottle of this channel. The links are down in there. Awesome water bottle. And like I said, let me know one more time in the comments if you like this segment. I'll do more of them. If you like me just going extreme and hitting 1,000 calorie burns, I'll do more of them. It doesn't matter. I love the workout, so I'm here for whatever you want to do. All right, I will talk to you later.